good morning. This is Ella. Today I would like to introduce you the GDK Galaxy model. And this machine is designed and produced by HTGD-Zoey. Brand is GDK, okay? And this machine has the general configuration and specification. I would like to introduce you as below, okay? And for the maximum PCB size is the length 450 millimeters. And for the width is the 350 millimeters, okay? And this machine has the several major points I would like to show you, okay? Here is the squeegee systems. It is intelligent configurations, and it can adjust the squeegee pressure and also squeegee length, okay? And here is the PCB thickness adjustment. PCB thickness adjustment smaller table, okay? And here is the 4-piece and 4-piece, total 8-piece. Would like to adjust and collect the soft PCB on this table. In order to avoid the soft PCB like the FPC to get distortion and scratch, so this function will protect the PCB very good condition. And here, come here, this is the CCD systems, okay? And has the mark function and also the 2D inspection, okay? And we come here. This system is the cleaning systems, and some other machines has no these systems, and our machines has these cleaning systems. It has the dry and wet and vacuum, and 3 types combinations together to cleaning the stencil and the PCB, okay? So this is the cleaning systems, okay? So for these machines, the standard configuration has like this, and its printing precision is the 10 micron, and alignment, the precision is the 20 micron, okay? And in addition to this standard configuration, we have other options available, such as the squeegee pressure loops. This is the firstly, and secondly is the fully automatic dispenser function. You can add it on this machine. And thirdly is that the fully automatic, add the soda paste, okay? And fourthly, the option is that control the inside of the machine's humidity and the temperature, okay? So in addition, you can add other options, okay? So it depends on your requirement about how to produce your PCB and your products, okay? So if you have any other inquiries and questions, just come back to check with me, okay? This is Ella from GDK. Thanks for your watching, and thanks for sharing with you, okay? Thank you.